Hi everyone, good afternoon. Now we're going to lalabas pala tayo. We're going to lalabas po tayo. Exit. Pupunta tayo sa pupunta po tayo sa Sabil Park. Exit 2. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. Exit 2. So, ayan guys, here. Ayan o, nasa labas tayo. Talalalalalala. Pwede na naman siya lakarin from here. So, ayan. This is the Max station, guys. Welcome aboard. Pwede na natin lakarin from here. So, let's go. Welcome to my vlog. It's Saturday today and that is the Max. So, we're gonna go down. Pwede na naman lakarin. So, hindi na tayo sasakay ng bus. Ayan, we're going up. Exit. Foreign Affairs Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Street South. So, eto na po. So, tanawir ang Museum of the Future. So, ayan na guys. Okay. Ayan, may bus pala siya. Pero pwede na daw lakarin from here. Explore po tayo. Commercial ng Dubai. So, ayan, welcome to my vlog. We're now in the Max station. Welcome to my vlog and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe at pakihit lang po ng bell button para notified kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng videos. Titingnan po muna natin ang lugar. So, ang ganda ng fountain doon. Look at that. Diba? Ang ganda rin ng place. Yung fountain is, ayan, surrounded by dates tree. At ito po ang mga ruler ng Dubai. Si Sheikh Mohammed bin Al Maktoum. So, we're gonna go down, baby. Stand right. Walk left. Ayan, 5 minutes lang daw na malalakarin. So, ayan, mag-e-exit na po tayo.